DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 3G and 3GS home button replacement. Be sure to check us out on the web at directfix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
For a more complete teardown and reassembly guide, please watch our iPhone teardown and reassembly videos. Remove the two bottom screws from the phone. Use your suction cup to lift up the screen assembly. Remove the screws from the sides of the screen assembly. Carefully remove the LCD from the assembly. Using a heat gun, gently loosen the glass top from the screen frame. Use a case opener tool to remove the glass top. After removing the home button from the screen frame, remove the adhesive cover from the button circuit and place it on the replacement home button. Place the home button and circuit into the frame. After applying a new set of adhesive strips, replace the touch panel to the screen frame. Replace the LCD. Place the screws into the screen assembly. Attach the 3 screen connectors to the motherboard. Place the 2 bottom screws. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.